Hi everyone, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you an unboxing of the Maisto 118 scale assembly line new Beetle. I cracked open the box real quick. I have not seen the car yet, but I just cracked the tape off this because it had a little bit of damage on the box. But let's go ahead and open it and see how the car looks. So yes, you heard me right. This is a 118 scale assembly line from Maisto, and they did used to make 118 scale assembly line models, and they still make 124th ones, but they stopped doing the 118s some years back. But let's go ahead and see. This is the new Beetle, like I said, in silver, and this is an older model. I think around the 2000s is this when this model came out. So let's go ahead. Good to see there's a ton of bubble wrap and tons of protection, which is good to see, but there it is. So I got this model from eBay from around $33 in total, which I thought was a pretty good price, considering these models are kind of harder to find, these 118 scale assembly line models. Let's see if we can get this out of the box without damaging it. And this is kind of an older model, and it's in pretty good condition, this box. I'm pretty sure, yes, it's originally taped, which is nice to see. So first impressions, it looks pretty good. It still has the straps on it, which is nice to see. Yeah, so it says 118 scale right there. Bonus custom wheels included. So it looks like you have the stock wheels with some chrome ones, which I think I'll choose those, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Yeah, so Volkswagen new Beetle, like it says right there. See, Maisto assembly line model. Same thing right there. And on the back, it kind of gives you a helpful, like, complete, like, disassembly of all the parts, and they're sorted. You know, base, interior, all that good stuff right there. Kind of gives you a little hint in what's to come when you build it, which is kind of a nice feature to have. Highly detailed opening doors and hood, working steering, rolling wheels. Screwdriver included, easy assembly, pre-painted metal body. Yeah, so kind of a cool looking retro box, and it says skill level 3. And the 124th says skill level 2, so I'm guessing it's just, obviously these are a little bit harder because they're, you know, 118 scale, more components. And so I do see one thing. There's a puncture in this plastic, which is kind of interesting. Huh. But I still think for $33, this is a great model. So my next video will be doing an unboxing of this actual Beetle and showing you around it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video build yet or do just a video after it's done build, or after the build's done, but I'll figure that out, and obviously y'all see later. So yeah, so I think so far it looks pretty good for 33 bucks. I think this is a great deal, so you'll see what is to come next video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.